Yet again, sizzling hot and dry on Wednesday over the interior of the Cape provinces, with temperatures soaring to the upper 30s and in some places above 40 degrees. Winds also expected to pick up over parts of the Karoo and the Eastern Cape, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires due to the hot, dry and windy weather. But is any rain going to fall on Tuesday? Let's see. Starting with our synoptic analysis on Tuesday, we've got a steep trough in the low levels of the atmosphere extending over the western parts of the country, transporting heat from our neighboring countries, extremely hot over the western interior, with isolated thunderstorms expected over the eastern part. And then due to a steep pressure gradient, we're also expecting a gusting northeasterly wind to spread overnight into Tuesday along the coast of the Eastern Cape and later reaching the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated thunderstorms likely to move down from Namibia over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest, as well as the Free State, and heat-induced thunderstorms likely in parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, and only a few patchy thunderstorms and very isolated showers possible over the Highveld as well as parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be boiling hot over the interior of the Western Cape on Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s, and the mercury will soar to 40 degrees in Robertson as well as Laingsburg, 42 degrees in Swellendam, and Oudtshoorn on the dot 40 in Beaufort West and just below 40 degrees in Graafrenet as well as Somerset East. Becoming windy is extremely hot. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires. A few heat-induced thunderstorms likely from late afternoon, with a gusting northeasterly wind between Port St. John's and East London and just offshore. The Weather Service warning against difficulty in navigation at sea due to those winds and choppy seas. Northeasterly winds also picking up over the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Very isolated thunderstorms are likely, and it's mostly cloudy at first in Mpumalanga. Temperatures in the mid-20s with isolated thunderstorms are likely on Tuesday, but most of the day we're expecting partly cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy at first to cloudy in the low veld. Later temperatures in the mid-20s for Limpopo, with only a 30% chance of a few thunderstorms developing over the southern part and the Bushveld. 29 degrees in Vryburg and 25 degrees in Klerksdorp. Isolated thunderstorms also expected over the western parts of northwest, but quickly moving away. In the Northern Cape, extremely hot and dry over the southern and western areas. 37 degrees in Kalfinia. Winds picking up, runaway fires at risk, with isolated thunderstorms expected over the eastern areas. It's a partly cloudy day for the Free State, with only a 30% chance of thunderstorms, and mostly cloudy at first in Gauteng, later partly cloudy, a slight chance of a quick shower and a thunderstorm, but otherwise temperatures in the mid-20s. Looking ahead into Wednesday, we're expecting hot weather yet again in the west. Isolated thunderstorms over the interior as well as the eastern areas, and an onshore flow might bring in some drizzle for Cape Town. And then into Thursday, more thunderstorms extending over the Northern Cape, the Free State, later the Eastern Cape and parts of the Karoo, and very patchy thunderstorms also likely after a much warmer day in Northwest and Gauteng. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.